Our review of the what's this phone called? The ZTE Cybal T. This is an Android running flip phone. It's very interesting. So, yeah, let's get started. So starting off with the design of the Cybal T, it's got this kind of rubbery grip back. Got the screen, got more grip, and side says plastic. It's okay. And there's a little scuff on it there because I dropped the phone once. But for the build of the phone, it's actually not bad. So yeah, moving on. So now getting into ZTE's software, which is based on Android 5.1. So it's fairly okay. It's got a skin on it. It's actually fairly close to stock Android. It's just some different icons if you scroll through it. And one of my favorite features of the phone is the display that shows up here. So, yeah. Overall, good. Something that's somewhat less good is that the screen is only 320p. Yep, that is 320p. It's 3.5 inches, 320p. That's so low for today. I think that actually matches the original iPhone. But yeah, that's horrible. Oops. So yeah, that's really not good. When we get into the specs of the Cybal T, we have a Snapdragon 210. It's a quad-core processor. For some reason, I think the screen size is 5 inches. That's not good. Yes, 320 by 480. It's got 1 gigabyte of RAM, 8 gigs of storage. Got Android 5.1.1. And yeah. Moving on. Underneath the back cover, they have everything you need. You have your removable battery, SIM, and micro SD card slot. So, yeah. Do I recommend it, though? This phone, I got this on sale for $50, but this phone is going to run you $100. So, $100 for this phone. Is it worth it? For some people it might be, but for the average consumer, I would say that unfortunately it would be a no-go because you can find better features in You can find better features in something like the Galaxy On 5, the R1 HD from Blue. You could get an LG Tribute HD. I'm actually filming off one. There's so many good options that are just way better. You could get a used Galaxy S4. You could get a Moto G4 Play on Verizon. You could get what else? You could get a ZTE Z Max Pro. So, I would say for this price point, it's just outclassed, frankly. So, yeah, that's going to do it for this review. Peace.